I looked into Odoo Community versus Odoo Enterprise, and honestly, the best choice really depends on how much you need out of your ERP. Odoo Community is fully open source, free to use, and surprisingly capable. You get core modules like CRM, sales, inventory, website, projects, and basic accounting. For small teams that want flexibility and are comfortable with a bit of technical setup, Community can handle a lot without costing a cent. Odoo Enterprise, however, is where all the premium features live. You get advanced accounting, barcode scanning, PLM, help desk, payroll, marketing automation, and integrations that aren't available in Community. The UI is smoother, support is official, and updates are more seamless. Enterprise also gives you Studio, which lets you customize apps without coding, something businesses really appreciate. The downside? Cost. Enterprise is subscription-based, and the price adds up quickly as you enable more modules and users. Community is basically free aside from hosting and customization. So the real question is what you value more: total control and zero licensing fees, or a polished ecosystem with advanced features and official support. For startups or tech-savvy teams, Community is usually enough. For growing companies that want reliability and advanced workflows, Enterprise is the better pick.